sound like happy birthday alert was going on
And I
here.
was like, what's happening?
Congrats, my brother. What a big surprise. I didn't tell you. I'm lost. I'm the only one lost here.
This is a special amendment.
Someone has his birthday and I'm the one lost. You also guys are here.
Thank you. Nice meeting you too.
It's a surprise for you, right?
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You see, it's cold. I'm sweating.
This is small girl.
Thank you.
He got everything on camera. He took everything.
For this one, we took it. It's the other one.
That's still.
They're playing happy birthday. Oh, wait. I don't know.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you
In fact, you was a big guy. In fact, you was a big guy. You was a big guy. Me bacho. Who did me fire Dubai we are young? Who did give us?
Okay, so
Tomorrow is my birthday.
okay, so we the whole hotel, Ibi style hotel, is aware that today is your birthday, and this cake is presented to you by Ibi style hotel. Yes. Okay, so Charlie, I think we can go ahead and cut the cake. Put on the lights. Put on the lights. Put on the lights.
Yeah.
Mamiwa.
Yeah,